I've been the busiest I think I've ever been in my life the last few weeks. So I thought, do you know what? I've got a rare afternoon off. It's actually only 2 o'clock, but it's getting really dark outside. And I thought, do you know what? Let's have a clean. Let's deep clean the whole thing, every room, every possible part of this flat, and let's just make it sparkling so that we go into the Christmas season with a fresh, clean house. We are going to other people's houses for festivities this year, which is actually quite nice because it means that we don't have to host. We've hosted the last 2 years and quite grateful to not have to take over my kitchen, take over my living room, clean constantly, like stuff everywhere. Very grateful. So I'm just going to make sure it's absolutely sparkling so that we can go into Christmas, have our nice little Christmas week off afterwards, read books, chill in peace, and not have clutter and mess everywhere. Because let me tell you, where both of us have been out the house for quite a big percentage of time, it's definitely fallen into chaos. So we're going to have a little cleaning session. Don't know what the lighting's going to be like, but we're going to roll with it and we're just going to make it work. I am cleaning in my Christmas PJs. These are from Cotton On. They're actually personalised. They've got my initials just here and then on the back pocket of the trousers as well. But we're gonna clean in PJs because I don't really want to get dressed. I got home from doing errands and just thought, let's get straight in pajamas and make it work. So yeah, we're gonna start with bathrooms because that's what I always do. I always start with my least favorite place and then work my way around. So we typically go bathrooms, bedrooms, hallway, and then living area, because my living area is the kitchen and the living room together. And then I will hoover the whole way through, mop the whole way through, end on the sofa where I can just sit and enjoy a nice cup of tea. So let's get crack-a-lacking. Probably going to be a whole lot of montage in this one, but I'll try and do like the odd little chatty bit here and there as well, just so it doesn't get really boring. But I feel like this feels really bizarre because I used to do these all the time and I don't think I've ever done one in this place, or if I have, there's been like 1 or 2, but I just think it'll be a bit of fun. And hopefully, fingers crossed, let's all manifest for me and James. Fingers crossed we'll be buying our house next year and next Christmas won't be here, which is wild. But let's get cleaning. First things first, we actually need to charge the Hoover, and I don't know where the charger is. Okay, got it. We've actually got one of those Vax carpet cleaners and I'm really excited to use it. We've used it on the rug and on the bedroom floors, but it's one of those like spot cleaner ones, so it doesn't do like the whole floor space, although I do want to rent a rug doctor and do the entirety of the 2-bedroom carpets in January. But for now, my desperation to clean that sofa and give it like a really good once over is what, like, I'm so desperate to clean that sofa, but James is saying to wait until spring because it's just a little bit too cold at the moment. I don't think it's going to dry, and I'm really worried that the moisture of the sofa is going to create more like mold and stuff, and I'm not about that. So anyway, Hoover's on charge. Let's get into the ensuite, which is arguably my least favourite of every single room. I need one of those little cleaning caddies because I used to have one and it was really handy. Now I don't, but they were so handy for like cleaning and just bringing stuff around here, there and everywhere. But let's give it a little tidy up, and once it's tidy, we can go ahead and do all the bits that need doing. Oh, I'm gonna move everything off the side because the side can be cleaned first. Arguably my least favourite task ever when it comes to cleaning is the shower, and the reason it's my least favourite is because I always end up absolutely soaked and it's not fun for anyone. So we're going to roll my trousers up and we're going to just see what we can do. I also want to try and clear out these products because we have so many bits in here that are like at their end and I don't feel like we need them. We've also got a really summery scent. So I'm going to remove the summery scent, remove the empty bottles. This needs to go in the water. That's a tan remover. And we're going to pop in one that James picked up from the shops the other day. This is Sweet Maple Shower Gel. We got this in Aldi for like £2 and it smells like gingerbread. So that one's going into the shower because that's one we're going to use all the time. And we can take out one that smells like pina colada and the one that smells like oranges because I just feel like it's not the right time of year. Coming out for now. Why is there so many empty products? Do you know what? I hope this sheds a little bit of light on the reality of being busy and not being able to keep on top of little things. Like, don't get me wrong, we have still been like cleaning the shower, cleaning the bathrooms, like hoovering and stuff, but we haven't done like a deep clean, and things just pile up and things get kind of everywhere, and it's really nice to then just know that you're cleaning everything out and you're just starting fresh, which is what I want to do right now. Like, get all of the empty products out, put all of the clean products and like the new bits in, and like sort everything out and just make it all feel like we have our stuff together slightly. Because in feng shui, if you are into that kind of thing, which I really am, keeping your house tidy is very much that mindset about tidy house, tidy mind, and clearing your spaces can help invite money in, help invite healthier relationships, all those kind of different things. So we're gonna give it a go. But first things first, the shower screen, my least favourite thing. Really because the people who lived here before us didn't keep this clean, and it's got those really annoying like marks on it, you know, like the watermarks. James bought a scraper and we were going to spend time like scraping all of the little bits off and try and make it look clean again. Still need to do that, haven't had time yet. But I found quite a good like hack to making it look really clean all the time. And the hack is sift with one of these, like, you know, the sponges that are like quite hard. And then you basically rub it all in, and then you grab the window cleaner and you basically spray the window cleaner on top, wet the window, and then like wipe it all off with a squeegee. So we're gonna do that now. Do I wish my microfiber hair towel was the same colour as the others? Yes, I do. But she stays, she works, she's fine. We actually have a piece of vinyl that we need to stick to this counter side. We did it in the other bathroom and it's like a wood effect and it's really cool, but it was such a pain in the bum to put in the other bathroom that we just haven't got around to it yet. So I do really want to do it because I think it looks really nice. I just need to work out when. Oh my god, do you guys remember that TikTok trend that was like, then you change outfit? I don't know why, I've just had a memory of it. A lot of these little decor bits are actually from Primark. Like this little jar with a candle is a little Primark number. And then we also have a Seychelles White Company. My dad buys me Seychelles bits at Christmas because he knows it's my favourite scent. So that was one of the Christmas bits last year. If you haven't tried it before, by the way, the Method bathroom one smells so good. I had it for ages and I just always go back to it because it lasts quite a long time. You don't need much of it. And when I get towards the end, I just fill it with a bit of water and dilute it down a bit and it still does the same job. But it's really nice. And then to finish off this bathroom, again, bougie because of guests, we just have the Capri scent from White Company. No one uses the hand lotion, which surprises me. Smells really good, it's like really fresh. This was again another Christmas gift. And then we are out of here and we're on to the other rooms and then we'll do the floors after the fact. If you haven't tried a Kindle arm before, honestly, best invention in the world. I use this nearly every single night. You basically just attach your Kindle to this and you can have it stuck by your bed and then you just get a clicker, and I'll link both of them because it's the best thing I ever got and it's helped me with reading more, and it's convenience, to be honest. To be honest, the only thing I really do in here is anti-bac and like spray down all of the skirting boards, the plugs, and basically just use the wood spray on everything because there's not really much in here that needs doing apart from like wood or like dusting frames and stuff, so it's pretty easy, to be honest. Do I have the same book on Kindle and hard copy? Absolutely I do, because sometimes I like reading it like this and sometimes I like reading it like this. The house is feeling so much cleaner already and I'm kind of loving it. Although I will say it's definitely getting worse before it's getting better. We're having slight chaos, but it's okay. These things happen. We're gonna roll with the punches and we're just gonna let it happen. I am gonna fill up the sink though with some boiling water and I'm gonna soak the little like drain thing in the bottom of the sink alongside like some sieve and stuff, just so it kind of cleans the bottom of the sink, because ours gets really grubby where it's a stainless steel and I hate it. But there is a couple of bits that just need washing out first. So we're going to wash these up and then we're going to do a big clean of the kitchen. First things first, we're going to go with the cupboards because these drive me nuts. I would never in my life have gloss cupboards because of how annoying these are to clean. Especially with as many windows as we've got, like they're just a nightmare. Last thing's the living room, and then we're gonna go around with the hoover and the mop. Okay, lastly we've got the living room and then the hoover and the mop, and honestly I've been doing this for like an hour now, not even. I keep procrastinating and it's got so dark. Feels so good to be having a clean, it feels so good to have a clean house, I can't tell you. I feel so much better now the house is clean. I do still have the odd thing to do, but just having a clean house makes everything feel so much better. I've got washing on, the dishwasher's just finished, I can make some dinner in my nice gorgeous clean kitchen, I can sit and watch TV in my cozy clean tidy living room, I can have a bath in my clean bathroom. There's something about a clean house that just makes everything feel better.